Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on Strava app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Strava and you will enter. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.